guys, it's Fargo the Farmhand, and I'm here today to teach you how to quantize, which in GarageBand just means lining up notes to the beat. To get started, we'll go ahead and record a simple melody to wrestle with. Well, that was a mess. Now let's double click our green rectangle. These are our notes. Now, there's two primary ways to quantize in GarageBand. First, by the region, which takes all the notes in this green space and lines them up with whatever kind of note you select. Click the region tab right here and then select how you want to quantize the notes. Then we can adjust how tightly the notes are quantized with this little doohickey. Now, the other way to quantize is with this Notes tab right here. The Notes tab quantizes the notes selected with your little mousey. Just press the Q button and they'll quantize by whatever note is selected, in this case 16th note. If you want, you can also just hit Q key on your old QWERTY and any note selected will quantize right away. Now it sounds like this. That sounds great. Y'all have a nice day now. My chickens are calling my name.